Hello friends, today I am sharing a quick tips for watercolor painting. First monochrome had study participating only one color. So, use Bansana, so it will help you to practice value. And the next one is uh, quick sketching. 10 to 15 minute small quick sketch only. First you can start with the only eyes, nose and lips, so it will help you to understand how the edges will be. You have to keep where the edges will be, you have to keep soft, where edges will be you have to keep hard. It is very helpful. You can try in your next painting and tell me in the comment section if you have any useful tips. We can do it together. Thank you.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going high. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go, gonna go, gonna go there. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going high. We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going